In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the bank reconciliation features on Freshbooks. It's a powerful tool designed to help you ensure that the transactions recorded in your accounting software match those on your bank statement, ensuring your financial records are accurate and up to date. To get started, you'll first want to connect your bank account to Freshbooks. Navigate to the Accounting tab and then click on Bank Accounts. Here, you can either create a new connection or connect an existing bank account if you've already done so previously. Next, it's crucial to set the correct opening balance for your account. This opening balance is your starting point and is especially important for new accounts as it lays the foundation for accurate reconciliation. If you find that you need to import historical data that dates back more than 90 days, you can do this manually or by importing a CSV file. Once you've set up your bank connection, it's time to move to the bank reconciliation screen. On this screen, you'll see your bank's imported transactions on the left and your FreshBooks entries such as expenses and invoice payments on the right. Now, to match transactions, simply click the corresponding entries on both sides. FreshBooks will automatically mark them as matched, making the process seamless. If you notice any missing transactions that are in your bank statement but not in FreshBooks, don't worry, you can easily add them. Click on Add Transaction to manually input new entries for deposits or payments that haven't been recorded in FreshBooks yet. And when you're adding a money out entry, remember that FreshBooks will automatically create an expense to avoid duplicates. It's a good idea to check for and delete any old duplicate entry that might exist. For those tricky transactions that don't quite fall into neat categories, use the Mark as option to classify them appropriately. You can categorize them as a bank transfer, owner's equity, or even an expense refund depending on what fits best. As you proceed through reconciliation, you'll need to ensure that the final balances match. Once you've matched all transactions, the FreshBooks balance should equal your bank account balance. If they don't match, take advantage of the Bank Reconciliation Summary Report to identify any unmatched items. This report can guide you in reconciling differences by allowing you to spot any oversights. Additional adjustments might be necessary for cases like outstanding checks or to correct bank errors, and this can be accomplished by creating a journal entry. By following these steps, you can finalize your bank reconciliation on FreshBooks, ensuring that your financial records are accurate and complete. Thanks for watching today, and happy reconciling!